Hey there, Sean Bailey. Welcome to this video today where we're going to talk about how to get high-ticket coaching clients. Now, one of the most important things that you need to do is use the right awareness level in your marketing messages. And I'll show you what I mean here with this handy little chart. So this is from Eugene Schwartz, who crafted out the 5 levels of awareness. Now, for high-ticket coaching, typically they're going to operate inside of 2 of these levels here. So we're not so worried about the unaware or the most aware. For this, it's going to be typically what I see is people operate at the problem aware or solution aware when it comes to their marketing messages for successful high ticket coaches. And I'll show you some examples of each one of these here. So for problem aware, really you got to think about it as what is the problem that you want to address, right? So for myself, what I do is I craft advanced sales presentations for high-ticket coaches, right? So the problem, if I was sending out a marketing message that I wanted to speak to these particular people, I would make sure that it is using marketing messages that address that they don't have a sales presentation that brings in ideal clients. So here's some examples of some headlines, email subject lines, basically some marketing messages that are centered on the problem here, right? So get an advanced sales presentation with 0 upfront cost to you, right? So that one's kind of got a benefit built into it. Another one is an advanced sales presentation crushes a traditional webinar to create a flood of coaching prospects. Not having to create a sales video or a webinar, literally my dream, right? So that one's in quotation marks. So that's like essentially I'm taking whatever the statement is, the conversation in their head, and putting it into a headline. Another one would be level up your coaching. Start with your underperforming sales presentation, right? So addressing the problem. They know that their sales presentation either doesn't exist or isn't working very well. And that's why we have that type of headline there, right? So the next one is protect yourself from financial uncertainty with a reliable, high-converting, advanced sales presentation. So that one's a bit wordy, but I just crafted these out really before I started this video. So I just wanted to get these down and just show you some cool examples of this. And the last one is micro webinar gets 3.5 times more qualified prospects into your calendar. So this one I didn't say advanced sales presentation. I used the term micro webinar, and I threw in a nifty little stat at the same time. And of course, you want this to be true. You want to be able to back this up with some data. But here we tell them that it gets 3.5 times more qualified prospects into your calendar, which is what high-ticket coaches ultimately want, right? They want their calendar. They want to have a steady, pipeline feeding their calendar, getting qualified people on calls so they can close them and get them into their high-ticket coaching program. So let's look at the next one here where we're talking about, this one here is about being solution aware, right? So when it comes to the solution, there's lots of different solutions out there, and if people are aware of different solutions, then it's about how are you different, how are you the best, how are you trustworthy, right? So for this one, I came up with certified copywriter who was taught high ticket offer secrets from a 7-figure earner, right? Now, of course, this one is true as well because I did study under a high ticket coach who taught other business owners how to create these high ticket funnels, create high ticket offers, and I did some offer and copywriting coaching for him. And it was awesome. I learned a lot of stuff from him, and he showed me everything there was to know about this type of process here. So for this one, some headlines for this would be 7-figure advanced sales presentation secrets, right? That one's got a little bit of mystery to it, but it talks about the solution, right? We could say 1,000 plus 6-figure coaches use this sales presentation to get clients. So here we've got like a proof element with the cool number stat in it. We could say the world's easiest advanced sales presentation method. And lastly, we've got 12-part sales presentation is the most advanced in the world, right? So you can, I only came up with a few of these for this, but you can see it's all about what is your point of differentiation? Why are you the best? Why are you trustworthy? Right? So with that, we could throw in elements about our credentials, our unique mechanism, or we could throw in some proof/testimonial elements for that type of thing, right? So that's how easy it is to operate at those 2 main awareness levels when it comes to creating high-ticket offers, creating your high-ticket coaching program, and you were able to see some examples of those today here. So go ahead and take some of those and use them for yourself. And if you're looking to get your own high-ticket coaching funnel created for you, you want to get your own advanced sales presentation and have it done for you by someone who knows that process intimately by getting it done by a certified copywriter, or if you want to take the offer intensive because you're just not sure about the offer that you should have in place, you're just starting out and you want to get your offer completely crafted out, completely outlined from start to finish, then take the offer intensive breakthrough session. And there's links to all of those items down below in the description. Thanks for watching this. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.